अब चलते हैं हमारा एक और सेशन जो कि लंच से पहले है, तो आखिरी सेशन है लंच से पहले हमारा। तो मैं दावत दूंगा हुसैन आफ्ताब चंगी साहब को कि वो स्टेज पर तशरीफ लाएं। उससे पहले मैं आपको थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट उनका बता दूं कि SOL के सर्टिफाइड ट्रेनर हैं और रिसेंटली 1 महीने पहले ही उन्होंने अपना ये जो कैंपेन है इसका आगाज किया और 1 महीने में आज उनका ये 3rd सेशन है, यानी कि हैट्रिक हो गई इनकी 1 महीने में। आपकी भरपूर मतलब के तावन और चाहिए कि और आगे बढ़े हैं। आपके सामने हुसैन आफ्ताब चंगी साहब।
चेक माइक्रोफोन। Right, Janab. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Assalamu alaikum. But there is a little bit confusion in the introduction. This is my 3rd session. This is my hat trick at Karachi University. 1 महीने के अंदर, in November 1st, then I was at Grumenia, the same place, same auditorium, but a different audience. Whenever I entered my foot in this very university, especially Karachi University, it takes me high. And when I came to know that I have to deliver a session on entrepreneurship, so I was like, okay, let's make a little bit modification into it. Let's make it entrepreneur shift. Okay, so that's what I do. I shift the individuals towards positivity, towards optimism. That's my company, Perception Shifting Attitudes. We are on Facebook, by the way. And you can add me. Usually what happened in activities and training sessions, Mr. Wali Zahid, I mean, you were flawless, sir. You were flawless. तो इनके बाद आना ना थोड़ा सा एक टेंशन बिल्डअप करता है. Usually happen. तो जब स्टार्टअप इतना अच्छा हुआ है, so I will definitely going to give my 100% to take this program to some extent. By the way, what Mr. Fujita has done, I mean, he was talking on the topic of entrepreneurship. What he talked was about, it was a little bit with a more context. What I'm going to do, my session will going to be towards motivation, towards energy, towards fervor, towards passion. कि अगर वो कला, वो शौक, वो मोटिवेशन आप में पैदा हो जाए तो एंटरप्राइज तो आप खुद ही बना सकते हो. That's a reality. So what I can observe, यहाँ पे कुछ 450 लोग हैं. It means that 400 worms are sitting in front of me, and I have to control them. So there are some norms, worm norms. So one is the engage, indulge, involve. Usually what happen, लोग आते हैं, बैठते हैं, बैठते लेट भी जाते हैं. And that's not the appropriate, because your physiology determine your mindset. जिस तरह के आप state of mind के अंदर होते हो, आपकी physiology बता देती है अगर ऐसा बैठा हुआ है तो क्या चल रहा है. In fact, when you were looking, by the way, how many are looking forward to become an entrepreneur in future? अब session में आए हो तो all. Well, that's nice. I like this spirit. And how many of you are from the corporate market? Those who are working somewhere, engaged in somewhere. And how many in the last year of your graduation? Last year. शुक्र है खुदा का, काम के लोग भी बैठे हुए हैं. And I want you all guys to engage, indulge and involve. Okay. It should not be like a boring sort of a program कि यार हम बोल रहे हैं, आप लोग बिल्कुल बैठे हुए हो. 50% will going to be at my end, and that's what entrepreneurs do. 50% of all the operations, they used to keep it at their end. And the rest of the 50% are going to be on the customers, the client. So currently you guys are my customers, okay? So rest of the 50% are going to be at your end. Moving forward, no to SMS, no to Facebook, no Twitter. And if by chance कोई orchid इस्तेमाल करता तो उसके लिए. Okay? Because if I find someone who is updating his or her status, they're gonna be in a public demand, by the way. You just need to ignite that fire of motivation in you. तभी तो कहते हैं कि अगर एक माचिस आग लगा दो पूरा का पूरा बाग जल जाता है. तो वो आग माचिस के अंदर नहीं होती, वो आग दरख्त के अंदर पहले से मौजूद होती है। वो माचिस तो सिर्फ एक जरिया है, एंड वी नीड टू इग्नाइट इट, एंड वी विल गोना डू इट राइट हियर राइट नाउ। दे आर डिफरेंट, इज रॉन्ग, दे आर डिफरेंट, because the behavior, the pattern of your life, the company what you are going to start up in future, that's going to be completely different from the other. So they are different. Nobody is wrong in this world. And by the way, if I found someone who is not focusing on these norms, he or she will going to be on a public demand. उनको यहाँ बुलाया जाएगा, फिर public will going to decide कि उनके साथ क्या करना चाहिए. But above all, you guys need to enjoy yourself completely. So allow me to introduce myself first of all. That's a different contemporary style of introduction. Introduction. So there's a duck in the middle. So the T2 stands for Taaruf time. So my name is Hussain Aftab Changi. I'm a certified trainer from School of Leadership. A year back, I started my own venture. That's Perception Shifting Attitudes. And for the last 9 years, I'm involved into public speaking. 9 years public speaking में involved हूँ. But please मेरी मुझसे age मत पूछना. As far as keeping the talk concerned, I'm a trainer by passion, marketer by profession, business graduate by choice, and luckily human being by chance. And when I was like that, I have to deliver the same content what I have delivered at Karachi University on 2nd October. It was from corporate to karobar. From corporate to karobar, starting your own venture. So when I came to know that I have to replicate the whole session, and by the way, because the format of this program is completely different. It's subtle. It's a little bit serious. So I made it, okay, fine. Let's make it a blend. Let's make it a combo. It has to be from corporate and youth. So I coined the new terminology, that's youth parade. ये डिक्शनरी में नहीं है भाई, पता चल लगे वो नहीं कहा है, झूठ बोला था, बाहर निकालो, आइंदा नहीं बुलाना. So it's not in the dictionary. That's a youth parade edition of this entrepreneurship session. Usually, when starting your own company, either you are looking forward to go into an insurance business, services, industrial, primary product services, import, export, you name it, and the world is waiting for you. There's an ample opportunity. But the fact of the matter is, what exactly you are looking forward to start up? नहीं मैंने business करना है, क्या करना है पता नहीं. That's not the right attitude. We're gonna talk about the attitude and each and every stuff. It's there, by the way. When exactly you're looking forward to start up your business? Where? कहाँ करना चाहते हो? कैसे करना चाहते हो? But above all, ये ह्यूमन फैक्टर हमारे अंदर से ना थोड़ा एलिमिनेट होता जा रहा है. हम थोड़े फेसबुक और वी आर एन आईपॉड जनरेशन, बाय द वे. वी आर द आईपॉड जनरेशन. तो देयर इज एन आर्टिकल ऑन हार्वर्ड बिजनेस रिव्यू कि बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया, बिकॉज ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस एंड कांस्टेंट कम्युनिकेशन on Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, Skype, there is a whole bombardment of social media. But the fact of the matter is that we are communicating, not connecting. बात हो रही है, connection build up नहीं हो पा रहा है. So what do we need to do? काम तो कर रहे हैं, किसके लिए कर रहे हैं? For whom? Because problems are the opportunities in disguise. मैं जब से पैदा हूं तब से one thing is a problem. यार हर साल कसाई धोखा देता है कुर्बानी के टाइम पे, कसाई सही नहीं मिला. But what Meet One has done is completely different. गोश्त आपका, कसाई हमारा. We were facing that problem, and finally he tap up, the team of Meet One tap up the right opportunity at the right time. तो अगर बात करते हैं यार पाकिस्तान के अंदर मसला हो रहा है, सबसे ज्यादा मसला वैसे कहते हैं पाकिस्तान के अंदर है. That's good that we have a problem. या प्रॉब्लम होगा तो अपॉर्चुनिटीज निकलेंगी ना उसके अंदर से. बिजली का मसला हो रहा है, ओके फाइन, इंस्टॉल अ प्लांट. इस चीज का मसला हो रहा है, ओके फाइन, लेट्स फाइंड आउट अ रेमेडी ऑफ इट. सो इफ यू आर कमिंग अप विद सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स इन लाइफ, यू शुड बी थैंकफुल. क्योंकि बाय द वे जापान के बारे में बोला गया था कि व्हाट यू इसका राज क्या है? कहते हैं वी प्लान. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज दैट प्लान? वी फोकस ऑन लॉन्ग टर्म प्लानिंग. फाइन, बट हाउ लॉन्ग इज योर लॉन्ग टर्म प्लानिंग? 250 years. 40 साल से जापान में लाइट नहीं गई है. उनकी 2 जनरेशंस को यह नहीं पता कि लोड शेडिंग क्या होती है. अनलाइक इन पाकिस्तान, हमारे अगर लाइट जाती है हम मोहल्ले की खिड़की में मुंह डाल के देखते हैं, या खुदा सबकी गई है. But again, that's a hope. That's a sign of a hope for us. That if not our elders, if not our ancestors, जो उनकी mistakes थी, हमने उनसे सीखा, and we will going to tap up the opportunity to create something unprecedented, out of the world, matchless. That's what actually entrepreneurs do. But now moving towards, when you talk about public figures, when you talk about the people who have revolutionized the industry revolutionized the business, who have completely given new hope, and the top-notch entrepreneurs of this very country, including this very country, as well as the abroad, यार क्या उनकी life? What exactly the pattern of their life? And you start modeling it. Model कहते हैं किसी की चीज को pattern करना, and start studying about it. लेकिन कभी अगले के मॉडल पे अपना मॉडल मत लगाना, किसी दूसरे के पैटर्न पे अपना मत लगाना, because that's inappropriate. You guys are born different. How can a thing which is right for that lady will going to be appropriate for this young man? They both are different. How it can be possible? तो हमारे माँ बाप ने ना बचपन में हमारे माइंड के अंदर इनकलकेट किया होगा, बेटा वैसा बनना है. Why? बस बनना है. In fact, when we come across this term बस, वहां पे मतलब ये कि हमारी सोच महदूद हो गई है. बस करना है. अच्छा बेटा क्या इंटर कर लिया, ए लेवल्स हो गया, हाँ अब क्या करना है? बीबीए करूंगा. अच्छा बीबीए के बाद एमबीए करूंगा. एमबीए क्यों करना है? वो तो जी करना होता है ना. क्यों करना है? बस करना है. अच्छा फिर क्या करना है? शादी करनी है. वो तो होता ही है. That's inevitable. That's obvious. But again, that's a mediocre. That's what I say. Conventional. In fact, pardon me, but that's a vulgar life what we are living. यार बीबीए कर लिया, ये कर लिया, ओके फाइन, ठीक है, ये सारे बेसिक्स हैं लाइफ के अंदर आने. But are you guys ready to give your 100% in everything? And you need to give 1 more % into it. So here I am going to conclude my session. Thank you so much. I'm available on Facebook, my company and me as well. Here's my contact number, my email ID if somebody wants to contact me. I love interacting with the people. So let's interact, let's communicate, let's grow, and let's network together. Let's make Pakistan, build Pakistan through the instruments of training and development. नूर अक्स शम्मे इलाही को बुझा सकता है कौन, जिसका हम ही खुदा उसे मिटा सकता है कौन. Thank you.